Hello everybody, it's Mr. Iman. I'm going to be showing you today how to download, install your TI-nspire CX2 CAS graphing calculator for use in pre-calculus, calculus, or some further university classes if you're in those. This calculator is the graphing calculator that can do pretty much anything, calculate complex functions, do some graphing or geometric functions, do list and spreadsheets and statistics like for financial classes, financial literacy, or foundation type classes, and also can be used in science classes hooking up to vernier equipment to calculate CO2 concentrations and temperature. It's also the calculator that's kind of shown in my screen right below my face. I have it embedded in here and it works very, very well. The link to start this process is going to be below in the YouTube description, and when you click that link, it's going to bring you to this page here. In this page here, you will select software for students, and it will bring you to this page where you have 4 choices that you can make. 4 different calculators that do very different things. This calculator on the far right, the TI-nspire CX CAS, is the most advanced, probably the most sought out after TI-nspire graphing calculator, and it's very good. So I would select this one, type in the email address that you would use, probably a school email would be better for this, and then hit submit. This is going to bring you to a page where you will receive a free subscription code, which I've blacked out on my screen because this is my code. And you can then hit Windows download or Apple Mac download and download the software. Once you're done that, you will be able to install your graphing calculator, and you end up with a screen. Well, you won't be on this screen. You'll be on something maybe looking a little bit more like this, where you can create a new document. So go File, New TI-nspire Document, and you'll get something similar to this. This probably looks a little bit familiar for you if you've used TI calculators before. Hit Add a Calculator, and this is actually, if you look below my face, this is the top screen of your graphing calculator where your answers are, and also where the stuff you type in is. You'll notice that you're missing the actual keypad. Now what I suggest doing is make sure you're on handheld mode, and over here in the document toolbox, you will explore these on your own. But I prefer using the keypad. So there you go. It brings up the main face of the calculator, the thing you type into, and now you can do anything you want to. You can create graphs, so File, New Document. I'm going to add a graph here, and I'm going to start typing in, x squared plus 6x plus 2. And this is going to be a quadratic function. And here's my function. I can scroll right, and I can also use this calculator. We've gone through this in class. You can trace on your graph to help find your x-intercepts. Here's one of your zeros. Here's your min value. So you can use the trace function, or you can create new functions in here. Like we've gone through this in class. Play with it. But now you have the calculator at home where you can graph, you can go to the calculator screen and just type in, right now we're working in radicals. So you can open up a radical and do the cube root of 27 and have the calculator spit it out. There it is, 3. Download, install, use this calculator for when you're going through with your homework, and that way you can also follow along with what I'm doing. Right below me, when I'm making these videos, I will be typing into this calculator here, which does exactly what yours does, and you will be able to follow along precisely. Have a good day, and I will see you guys later.